Workflow management tips to help you supervise your virtual assistant. How do you effectively develop workflows? 1. Map out your processes. The place to begin is to examine all of your current processes and map them out, step by step. The key is to note each step in order, leave nothing assumed. If you already have virtual team members, work with them to document processes. People who do them every day tend to have the most insight. 2. Assess your workflows. Examine different workflows and look for inefficiencies affecting your whole team and your customers. You could get team input here again. What has been working well? What could be changed or improved? What manual processes could be automated? 3. Research your options. Research is a great task for your virtual assistant. Find a workflow software that will help you to automate repetitive tasks. Anything manual has the potential to create a bottleneck. 4. Create a budget and resource allocation system. This will give you a clear idea of how much money you have to work with each month. To do this, list all of your income sources and expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can start to allocate funds to different areas of your business. 5. Adapt and make any changes. At this step, look at the solutions you've come up with for creating better efficiencies and adapt your processes. For each workflow process, you determine roles and responsibilities. You then document the new process and have your employees give them a dry run. If that goes well, then you know you've come up with a good plan. What are some other tips on how to manage workflow effectively? Empower your virtual assistant or other virtual team members. Bottlenecks often occur when business owners or team leaders want to hang on to too many tasks or too many aspects of decision-making. Learning the power of effective delegation helps to ensure that your workflows are streamlined. Have an open door policy for suggestions. If you make a practice of being open to ideas, team members will feel free to come forward when they spot something that could be improved. Have a culture of accountability. Create a transparent overview of what's happening. Make it a habit of holding each other accountable. Have regular staff meetings. This is a great opportunity to check in with everyone on the team and see how they're progressing with their projects. It's also an opportunity for you to offer help or suggestions if anyone appears to be struggling. Review and revise regularly. Workflows are never set in stone. As your business grows and changes, you'll need to review and revise them on a regular basis. The goal is always efficiency. What are the benefits of a workflow management system? Improved efficiency. When done correctly, workflow management can help to improve efficiency by eliminating bottlenecks and wasted time. This can lead to cost savings for businesses as well as increased revenues. Increased productivity. When you improve workflow efficiency, you also increase productivity. This is because your team members are able to complete tasks more quickly and move on to the next thing. Better quality. Workflow management can also lead to improved quality as it helps to ensure that tasks are completed correctly and in the right order. This can be especially important in industries where quality control is essential, such as manufacturing. Reduced stress. In addition to more efficiency and productivity, good workflow management can also help to reduce the stress levels of your employees. This is because they know what needs to be done and when it needs to be done, which can make the workday less overwhelming. Improved customer service. This is because all of the steps in a process are coordinated and there is less chance for things to go wrong. Workflow management may not even be something you've specifically thought of, but we all do it in our businesses. The question is whether we're doing it effectively. As a virtual business, your bottom line can depend on your workflows. It is well worth your time giving them some attention. If you're looking for other ways that a virtual assistant can help your business, subscribe to our channel.